All right, so I don't know if that'll go to, but fuck, I just broke it. But damn, look, I'm pretty sure this is the culprit of the leaks and shit. Damn power steering. Now look at my damn alternator. Whew. So I'm finna go take this to get rebuilt. At a shop on motherfucking Lamb Sahara, if you know where that's at. Auto depot, alternator depot. The fuck on the fuck alternator depot. Warranties and everything. So it's pretty caked the fuck up down here. Let me see. I'm like, what the fuck is that? It was something jumping onto the motor. I don't know what the